guys been working on the orange airboat here all morning. It's late afternoon, testing out the water pump, see if it'll work here. They had issues with the water pump and it was overheating. Dad didn't want these guys leaving the yard without it running for at least a half an hour to ensure that there was a correct temp for water pump flow and everything else here. So he's got his handy dandy little digital reader there and he's testing it, and he's got his apprentice up there. They've been testing it here for about the last 10-15 minutes, so it's been running here pretty good. But this is what they've been working on today, non-stop, constant state of in and out and fix and back, and so they're discussing all this. And there's the last airboat right there that they were working on. I think that one's ready to go. I think that one had a water pump issue as well. Now they're working on this one to make sure everything's good to go. I think these guys want to take it out on Monday. Today is Saturday, and so if this is all good, they're going to park it out of the way, and they'll be heading down river. But Dad was pretty adamant about making sure this was running correctly, because he's already had to go out onto the river to do repairs, and he doesn't even want to work outside, let alone go down river and work where the machine broke down. So yeah, so that's what these guys have been doing all day. No Bombardiers, but airboats, and busy. Dad figures he's probably going to be busy with this till the end of September, and we're already starting to get phone calls and other work. But he's pretty busy 7 days a week fixing boats and airboats. So just a bit of a shop update for you guys. Not a long video, but anybody want to come for a visit, Dad's more than welcome to take visitors right now, anytime really. And he loves bullshitting with the boys, and you can come visit Dad and the dogs and see what it's all about here. 7 days a week out at Dad's repair shop in the Paw, Manitoba. I got it right up to speed now, so it's really loud. For a good 5 minutes, if not longer, already at this high speed. They again, Dad's testing out the water pump to make sure it's working correctly. There's no leaks, there's no issues, and it's running at operating speed. But he doesn't want these guys leaving the yard and going down river without it being tested. So it's going up a little higher now.
Everybody can sit. Now, who can shake? Shake. Well, sure, out. Okay. Shake. 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 That's it. Can you shake? Okay, Yeti. Yeti can shake. Okay. One for you. One for you. One for you. And one for you.
And what about the little baby?
Oh, geez. Well, no, we gotta get another one. Two. Who didn't get one?
Everybody else got one. So this is what we do at the shop
Oh,
here.
this guy didn't get one.
Oh, you got one, Yeti.
Drop. Okay.
So everybody gets a treat multiple times a day.
Okay. Easy. And here's yours. And now you highball her before they catch you.
There you go.
Good. Everything's good.